In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job in QuickBooks, and we'll get it all done in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will help you seamlessly add and manage jobs, ensuring you keep your records organized and up to date. Let's jump right in by opening up QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that to begin accessing your account. For those who have been using QuickBooks for a while, this part will be familiar. You'll now be prompted to enter your login credentials. Carefully type in your email and password, ensuring there are no typos that might delay your progress. A quick tip, it's always a good idea to use a password manager to keep your login details secure and easily accessible. Once you've entered your information, click on Sign In again to proceed to your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that you're in, find the Customers and Leads section. This is where you manage all your customer details, including the jobs linked to them. Click on this section to pull up the list of your customers. Here you will need to go to the Customers tab, giving you access to detailed profiles where you'll perform most of your management tasks. Scroll through your customer list and select the profile of the customer for whom you're adding a job. Click on their profile to open it up. Once it's loaded, look for the Edit button and click on it. This will allow you to make changes and add necessary details related to jobs and other customer interactions. Within the customer's profile, you will find an option labeled Is a Sub-Customer. Checking this box means you're about to add a job as a subsection or part of your main customer's profile, categorized under them for better organization. After selecting Is a Sub-Customer, you will notice the option to add a parent customer. Click here and choose the primary customer under whose account this job will fall. This step ensures that all job-related activities are neatly organized and easily retrievable. Next, locate the company name field and type in the position or job title you need to add. This label will help you track and reference the job efficiently, especially when dealing with multiple jobs for a single customer. Finally, after entering all the required details and double checking for accuracy, click on the Save button to ensure all your new job information is saved in QuickBooks. This final action will store all changes, making them available whenever you need to access them. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a job to a customer's profile in QuickBooks. This straightforward process enhances your workflow and lets you manage your business more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.